calculate, grab one var stats again. But don't press enter right away. If you press enter right away, it's going to read you Ernie. You've got to now tell it what list your data is in. Now, when you didn't tell it, it automatically defaults to L1. That's why when you had L4, it wasn't looking at L4, it was looking at L1. Trey, whatever that L1 was called, it was looking at your hidden L1.
Landing zone.
Landing zone! Boom! That's it. Excellent. Now, you can tell it your data is in L2 by actually typing L2. Now, the easy way to do that, friends, press the second function button, top left, mine is blue, I don't know what color your guys are. Yellow, depending on what model you have. Top left, mine's blue, yours might be yellow. And then press the 2 button. And L2 pops in. L2 pops in. Now, it will do everything that it just did for Ernie, but it'll do it for Bert instead. So you press enter. Notice! What the hell? I think it's broken. We're getting the same numbers. Ha! Is that okay that some of the numbers are the same? Well, we already figured this out, didn't we? We know they had the same average. That was kind of the trick of the question, was how are they different? Well, that's how they're the same. Does this upset anybody? Nope, not at all. That has to be the same. There's 5 tests that add up to 405 points, which is why they have the same average. But then, things start changing. This, you can ignore that. That's not really that important. But this, that's Bert's standard deviation. Which means, what? Call that 16.6. 16.6 points. Put it in a sentence for me to tell me what it means. 16.6 points. Use it in a sentence. Think about what Shaylee and what Aaron said earlier. Michaela, go ahead.
16.6 points average distance away from me.
Love it. Nice and loud. Say it one more time.
16.6 points average distance from me.
And I'm going to repeat it because it's damn wall. On average, Bert's test scores are 16.6 points away from mean, from the average. You have to use the word average twice in the sentence when you're reporting it, because there are 2 averages, correct? There's the mean, x bar, and there's the average of the distances, which doesn't have a name except for s, if you will. So s is that average. Average of what? The distances from x bar. You see what's going on there, friends? Now, were any of his tests actually 16.6 points away from an 81? No. But the average distance was 16.6 points away. Conveniently, it's almost exactly 10 times as big as Ernie's. Isn't that interesting? Which makes our range from before, from Katie's range from before, is almost perfectly represented. Remember, his range was 10 points, or 10 times more? So is the standard deviation. Unfortunately, that doesn't always happen. It doesn't always happen. These are uniformly spread through the interval. That's the only time it's going to happen, when they're uniformly spread. Most data is not uniformly spread through the interval. Fair enough? Okay, what about this? Should I get worried about this 14.8?
Yeah.
Should I worry about it? No. What should I do with it? Ignore it. Just, I wish I could get there and take it away, but I can't. You can scroll down and get his median if you want. There it is, right there. Oh, look, there's a box right. Very nice. Median's 82. Boom. No more arranging things in order. So the takeaway so far about this, is what? I'm sorry. I was going to finish that statement. I want you to say it. I want you guys to verbalize it. What is the takeaway? What is, let's put this on the board. It's not important. Hell yeah. What is the big takeaway